Hello everyone, today I will show you how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps, and here's how it is done. Go to Google Maps and let us click the menu bar and click Save. In this portion, you can edit what places you want to have. I mean, are these places for vacation, leisure time, practice, or places you just want to go? In this video, I'm going to click Want to Go, and then I will add places and start to click places in the maps. Let me click this, and make sure to click Save and put it in the section I want to go to. Let me repeat that in the other places, and then let us go back here, and as you can see, there are 3 pin locations in one Google Map. Take note that this is customizable. You can put notes or rename the agenda that you want to have for these places. And that's everything you need to know about how to pin multiple locations on Google Maps. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.